The new LEGO icon Santa's Post Office. Set number 10,339. Before I start the review, I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. If you'd like to support my channel this holiday season, you can find the link in the description. Thank you. This new LEGO icon Santa's Post Office set has 1,440 pieces. A magical journey for LEGO fans building this Santa's Post Office set awaits. Wonderful addition to your Winter Village collection. This LEGO set includes Santa's Post Office, an ice fishing scene and a hot air balloon, a two-way letter sorter, sled, mailbox, signpost, and a Christmas tree. Plus a Santa minifigure and 4 elf figures. There are 10 numbered bags, 2 instruction booklets, and a small sticker sheet. Santa's Post Office is topped with snow with a cozy log fire and a postal sorting area. And there's the 3 sticker signposts directing visitors to Elf Clubhouse and Santa's Workshop, both previous Winter Village sets. The entrance hall had a coffee machine and a second-floor writing area. It also includes a fancy chair, table, and a bookshelf. There is a built-in series of ramps and chutes in a small room that carries mail from the rooftop launch pad or to the loft to the first floor, dumping into a very cute mail sorting machine. Another traditional feature of Winter Village sets is the Christmas tree and a pile of gifts. A sled is also included that makes fun to deliver mail and packages. Moreover, I really love the stone outdoor fireplace, and it has a snowman that also stands outside the post office that looks like an undecorated BB-8 body and a Technic ball. Even the green and red garland with red clips in the leaves to represent berries and the ornamental horn looks really nice. The minifigures. For elves are included in this set, dressed in unique uniform to show their role as postal workers with matching gold borders on their collars. The elves had bright green hats and with molded ears. Mix of green and bright green colors and in different clothes. These 2 elves are seemingly in charge of delivering letters to the post office, as one wears a pilot's helmet and the other wearing a scarf for working outdoors. Santa. The torso looks so nice, complete with suitable fur trim and a metallic gold belt buckle. A baby seal is included, and is very charming, which make the small ice fishing pond looks really nice. The hot air balloon. This cute hot air balloon may give you lofty ideas. It features traditional festive colors and enough room for a minifigure to stand in the basket. Letters are delivered at the back of the hot air balloon, releasing the letters down the waiting chute. Drop the mail into the chute and away it goes down to the sorting machine. Press the top of the hot air balloon to light up its burner. So cool! The post office building set measures over 8 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. Release date, October 1st, 2024. $99.99 in the US. Look at this completed set. It looks amazing. And Santa works all hours this time of the year. Would you be my Santa this year? Thank you for watching. Warmest wishes for a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.